Hi, in this video on function machines, we're going to try and work out the missing operation when we've got two different function machines. Now let's just remind ourselves what a function machine is. It's this kind of rectangular box. And what happens is that you have some input, something that goes into your function machine, also known as a number machine. You do something to it, so you do something to the input, and then it spits out an output. That's the number that's coming out of the function machine. So what's happening here is we've got two function machines. So 21 is going into the first function machine. We don't know what's happening yet. We need to work that out. Then it spits out an output. Then that output is being fed into another function machine. And this time we do know what it's doing. It's subtracting 2 and it's giving you 1. Now, let's try and work our way backwards from the 1 to see what number's coming out of this number machine. So we're going to say, well, what number, when we subtract 2 from it, gives you 1? Well, it's 3, isn't it? 3, when you subtract 2, that gives you 1. And the way you can do that is to work backwards, is you do the 1, and then you do the opposite of the minus 2 to work backwards. The opposite of subtracting 2 is adding 2. So 1 plus 2 would give you 3. That's one way you can work backwards. Now, if we look at the first number machine, the first function machine, we can see the input is 21. We're doing something to the 21 to get an output of 3. What can you do to 21 to get to 3? Well, if we look at these options, can you see it is the divide by 7? Because if I put the divide by 7 here, 21 divided by 7 would give you 3. So that is the correct answer.